Hello, my name is Pat Denty. I am from Abatem Heat Treatment Systems LLC. And what we're here to show you today is the Abatem Heat Treatment Systems mobile heat treatment truck, which is what we feel to be the most effective and most efficient bedbug heat treatment process on the market today. The Abatem mobile heat treatment truck consists of a fully insulated body along with two indirect fired gas furnaces which provide even temperature heating throughout the whole truck. On the inside of the insulated body of the truck are 12 temperature sensors which communicate with an electronics control panel that's mounted on the outside of the truck. This provides complete and accurate monitoring of the internal temperature of the truck and the contents that are being heated. Also, completely govern the operation of the two gas-fired furnaces, therefore providing complete and even heating throughout the contents of the truck and guaranteeing elimination of bed bugs and eggs. As you can see within the insulated body of the truck, there are the 12 temperature sensors located on the insulated walls, located in low positions and high positions, as well as two over temperature sensors on the top of the truck for the purpose of safety. Two of the sensors are movable and on leads to be placed between the cushions of stuffed furniture, therefore ensuring that the core temperature of the items being heated reaches the lethal temperature required to fully eliminate bed bugs and their eggs. Also within the truck is a build-as-you-go rack and shelving system that allows the loader to configure the shelving and the racks as he loads the truck based on the requirements of the items that are being heated. This allows the items to be heated to have proper air circulation around all of the items to ensure that core temperature reaches lethal stage. One of the advantages engineered into this system is the ease of operation and the ease of use, and of course, the ease of setup. Actually, the whole truck can be set up in a matter of 5 minutes from the time you park the truck to the time you're ready to load furniture. Contained in the truck is everything you need for the job. A safety cone for the front of the truck, a hand truck for moving your furniture, carrying straps for mattresses, a control panel, and one extension cord that powers the whole truck through one customer-supplied 110 volt outlet. And also, as you can see inside the truck, are two propane tanks, which for transportation are mounted in two secure storage brackets on the interior of the truck. As you can see, the furnaces are securely latched in place for transportation and easily unlocked and rolled out with one push of the hand. So once the truck is parked and unloaded, it can be in full operation in a matter of minutes. Unroll your heater. Connect your gas line with a quick disconnect fitting. Unroll your second heater and connect your gas line with a quick disconnect fitting. Turn your gas bottles on. Just mount your control panel with its weatherproof enclosure. Plug in your control panel into the GFI protected outlet. Connect the control panel to the truck with your weatherproof connector. Lock it in place and plug in your power. At this point, the truck is ready to start and can be started with a touch of a button. Enter the system and turn the system on. What you're seeing now is a graphic control panel, and each of the bar graphs shown on the screen represents one of the 12 temperature sensors located within the truck. At the bottom of each of the graphs is the actual true temperature of each one of those sensors. At the top of the graph is the actual location of each one of those sensors. As the system is showing you now, presently, the system is off, the system is below target temperature, heater 1 is off, and heater 2 is off. To start the system or turn the system on, press the button that says Turn System On. Once the system is turned on, now it's telling you the system is on, heater 1 is on, and heater 2 is on. The temperature and threshold parameters for each of the temperature sensors can be optioned by the user through the use of our secondary programming screen. On this screen, each sensor is assigned a temperature which will turn the heaters on or off depending on the desired temperature for the treatment that you're doing. Presently for bedbugs, we use a target temperature of 140 degrees. In addition to that 140 degree temperature, we also have alarm temperatures and shutdown temperatures that are also programmed into the system. These are safety functions should the system overheat and ensure that you're not going to damage any of the articles that are heating in the truck. Also on this program screen is where you enter in the duration for your heat treatment process. We presently use 120 minutes for a 2-hour process, which means that once all of the temperature sensors reach that 140 degree target temperature that we had previously programmed in, then the clock counter will start and time the process for whatever process duration is required. Also on this screen are 2 columns, one for primary heater and one for secondary heater. When the system starts, both heaters are functional until the desired temperature of 140 degrees is attained. Once 140 degrees is attained by all sensors within the vehicle, then the secondary heater will shut down and the primary heater will remain on to maintain that desired temperature throughout the 2-hour treatment process. The heater order button allows you to distribute the run time on both heaters equally over the course of your ownership of the system. In addition, the software will also reverse the order based on the last order of the system the last time the system was used. So when you power up the system, if the software sees that heater 1 was primary on the last operation, then the software will change it so that heater 2 will be primary, therefore ensuring that equal run time is attributed on both heaters. When all the temperature sensors reach their desired temperature and the duration process has been attained, then the system will show you that the job is completed and you're ready to unload. When any sensor in the system reaches the temperature programmed in the alarm column, as shown on the secondary programming screen, the system will shut down, will give you a high temperature alarm, and it will shut both of your heaters off. As you can see here, heater 1 is off, heater 2 is off, you get a high temperature alarm and a temperature 1. When that sensor comes back down to its normal temperature, the system will resume normal operation. Should any sensor reach the shutdown temperature programmed on the secondary programming screen, the system will immediately shut down all power to the truck. As an option to the system, a wireless interface is available, allowing full operation and control from any conventional laptop computer. As you can see here, all of the functions on the control panel, the temperatures, the locations, system status, as well as the programming options for programming the individual sensors and durations. Any function of the control panel can be performed via a laptop computer from a remote location. And with the truck fully loaded, allowing for airspace flowing around, above, and below all of the items in the truck, we're now ready for heating.